Hello all, good morning. Can you hear me? Is there anyone? Just want to check before going, doing my presentation. Hi all, can you hear my voice? Hello, is there anyone? Hi, I think someone is there. Uh, can I go ahead? Can anyone confirm? Just a few minutes. Hi, hello, hi, hello my friend. Is there anyone? Okay, let me introduce myself. I am myself, Sudhakararao Valisetty, Global Business Head, Sales and Marketing for JR Furnace, Chennai. JR Furnace is a company which is started in the year of 1987, and we are the manufacturers of all kind of furnaces like electric, gas, or liquid. Anyone you just name it, JR Furnace is there. JR Furnace specialty is we have done about 500 plus installations globally all over the world so far, which is quite achievement we can say. Our main clients are defense like DRDO, the military side. We have supplied so many furnaces where satellite and all other parts included, those kind of stuff. We are the regular supplier for BHEL in India, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Aeronautics Limited of India, and all over the globe. We have supplied to Bangladesh, Gulf, Dubai. Yeah, I just got the confirmation that you can see me. That's thank you very much for the acknowledgement. So, JR Furnace, as I said, is one of the leading global manufacturer of furnace and ovens. You just name it, any furnace like carburizing furnace, hardening furnace, annealing furnace, electrical heat treatment furnace. We are there. Our success is to understand the clients, lies with the clients. We liaise with the clients and study their requirement thoroughly. Then we will quote according to their requirement. Like, we can say that if any client, the requirement will not be same for each client. If you take a glass manufacturer, if you take a plastic manufacturer, if you take a steel fabricator, where they require PWST. So different products has different requirements. We will study, JR Furnace expert team will study the requirement, analyze the situation, and we will provide the best technology furnace to them. We are technically, we can say that JR Furnace is technically much superior to the competitors, considering that we have the technology which is developed through German company. And so in that we can operate the furnace, we can witness the furnace temperature inside with mobile phone. We can operate, we can give the necessary instructions through technological advancement by mobile phone. If you are staying at far also, you can see what is the temperature and how much time it will reach to the particular temperature. And we can even, organize the cycles in that. Cycles also we can operate through mobile. That is the latest technology we have developed. And so far, JR Furnace is ISO 9000 company since it is established in 1987. And we are JSRS certified supplier. JSRS means Joint Supplier Registration System. It is must at Oman. We can supply all oil field related clients with that supply certification. And very soon we will be getting the SAMBIC certification as well. So JR Furnace, as I said, as a leader, and there are variety of furnaces we have already produced, like Bogie furnace, which is the regular one, which is used for post-weld heat treatment process. Then hardening furnace, carburizing furnace, then salt bath furnace. It depends. It depends on customer requirement and the sizes. We can develop any size as per the customer requirement. Our biggest, largest capacity what we have developed is 300 metric tons capacity furnace. 300 metric tons furnace we have developed. That is for PWST process, PWF post weld heat treatment process. That is for fabrication items, stress relieving. We are doing that. Maximum temperature will be 1100 degrees Celsius. We can achieve that. It's a bogie car type, so we can load this one jobs in a batch quantity on the bogie. Then we can heat it up to 1100 degrees Celsius as per the requirement. Our repeated regular clients are BHEL, as I said, BHEL. Then oil field companies, we can say that Tasif, which is in Dammam, Saudi, Midal Cables from Saudi, from AOTC from Muscat. These are some of the few companies which we have already supplied. About, as I said, about 500 companies installations we have done successfully. We have technical collaboration with SEW, the gearbox manufacturer from Germany, then Morgan, UK, Sandvik for the thermocouple, which we use inside thermocoil. Then thermocouples are getting purchased from Sandvik. So we have international product lines. Our products are international standard and well branded products. That one is giving the life for the furnace, whatever we are assembling and supplying so far. And we can say that with 10 people we have started our company in 1987. Now we have reached about 80 people, and our technical team is well qualified and well experienced. In fact, if you see our average employer age is about 25 years. So that we can say that all the major, well experienced people we have who can do this successfully to reach this. Regarding our company website, you can see JR Furnace, www.jrfurnace.com, where you can see so many details of our company, and you can just ping me on vsrao@jrfurnace.com. So whatever your requirement, I can address directly to you. And our just to refresh about our expertise. Our MD is Mr. Jaishankar, is a young MBA graduate from IIT Chennai, and he started this company at the age of near 22 years. Now he is, you can understand our 25 years experience. You know, he has the role model to many of the youngsters here. and we want to stretch our company boundaries beyond country limits. We want to supply globally. That is what our main aim. And so far we have installed, as I said, 500 plus installations all over the globe, which is quite merit for us. Wherever you can just name our whichever country you just name, we have our installation there to see you and show you the customer reference. So our most of the clients are repeated clients, which itself says that how qualified and how significant our contributions. And at the moment, as soon as the moment we get the call from the client, we study their requirement thoroughly, and wherever required, we give the correct advice, and which will boost their production active productivity, and less cost-effective solutions we will provide for them. And with the latest technology we are doing in country, all and most of the parts, as I said, all well-branded international standard. So it is costing us a little bit, but still we don't compromise on quality aspects of any furnace. So that is what our main agenda and aim, to satisfy the client. We are always there, and as I said before also, the client requirement may vary many times, but the commitment of JR Furnace will never vary. And as I said, we are previously, for the newcomers, I'm seeing some more people joining. We are ISO 9000 2007 company, and we are qualified with many certifications which is required for that. Our design standard of the furnace is API 6A standards we can produce. NATCO standard we follow. So these and all providing additional, requirement capabilities of the furnace. So carburizing furnace, as I said, we are specialists in electric Bogigarn furnace, carburizing furnace, annealing furnace, hardening furnace, and ovens we can produce any batch type or process type ovens we can produce. And if you are in any process industries like steel, plastic, aluminum, glass, cables. We have proved ourselves many times to many clients. Most of the clients, cable industries, glass industries, people know us very well. So if any requirement, just let us know. And any technical challenge, we are the first people to respond, as I said. And we will directly visit to your facility also if required. From your side, we are ready 24 into 7. Our technical team is ready. If in case of any requirement and any fault required, we will assist you through mobiles 24 by 7. And we have stocks of all the spares in-house, kept it ready. So in case of any emergency, our people can fly out anytime and fix the furnace and get it back ready for you. So if in case of any requirement or any of the questions you have, you can just write to me at vsrao@jrfurnace.com, vsrao@jrfurnace.com, and you can review our site jrfurnace.com, which will give you much more idea. Or if you can just write to me, I will be there, to support you. So in this pandemic year, where there is no exhibition is going on, I support the management who has brought this online exhibition concept. I really appreciate them, like Rupert Beremo, excellent support for the business community, where this pandemic has been, creating havoc among the countries, we can say. Just now I heard Saudi has locked down fully. Inshallah, hopefully we will be soon, very soon, all the business activities and corona will go, and the business will go back to the topmost. I'll just spell out some of the furnaces for your this one more time. As I said, bogie hearth annealing furnace, stress relieving furnace, pusher type furnace, chamber furnace, high temperature furnace, electric oven, chamber oven, reheating furnace, rotary retort furnace. Even for your kind information, from US also we have supplied to US also, and we are getting so many inquiries from them. So finally, to summarize, why JR furnace? JR furnace is for as I said, customized heat. We provide customized heat treatment solution, enduring customer relationship, process approach, design, appropriate design, commissioning with trial run. We do commission. We have a facility of 55,000 square meters in Chennai, actually, which is the largest we can say for the furnace manufacturers. We have a registered office in Valisetty. We have our manufacturing office in Gumadipundi, Chennai, actually, where we produced the latest furnaces. And our strength, as I said, is about currently now 80 people. All are deployed in variety of furnace manufacturers. And most of the clients we deal with, as I said, defense, research, petrol industry, valve manufacturing companies, fabrication companies, and many more. And so in case of any requirement, just ping to us. Just remember, JR Furnace is a company which deals with quality manufacturing of furnace and ovens. Okay. And I wish to thank Mr. Rufat Gairamo, the admin for this online exhibition concept, to giving me an opportunity to present my company company product lines. And I wish a grand success for this online exhibition event. Thank you very much for giving time one more time. By giving you thanks, I just reiterate, JR Furnace, one of the global leader in manufacturing of furnace and ovens. Just ping me in case of any requirement. VS Rao at jrfurnace.com. Within 1 hour, you will get the reply. That is what I can say. Whatever you send requirement, just we will follow up and we will ensure that you will get the best solution with the latest technology in the market, available in the market. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot for the time. I appreciate it. If any doubts, just let me know. If you have any questions to ask, you can just ping me. Okay. Thank you very much. See you all. Namaste. Sat Sri Akal. Goodbye. Bye bye. Thank you.